How to get Netflix subscription on desktop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can get Netflix subscription on your laptop or desktop. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is open up a web browser and search for Netflix. So you can type in Netflix and you should find the Netflix website. You can tap on it. And after you open up your Netflix, you will see these options right here and you'll also find the price. So what you can do is you can simply tap on Get Started by typing in your email here. Then tap on Get Started. After you tap on it, you will start creating your Netflix account. So you can finish setting up. You can head over to your mail. They will send you a mail. All you have to do is tap on Send Link, and they will send you a link to start setting up your Netflix. So head over to your mail. Then you should find a Netflix link. So here you can see the plans. You can find the plans right here. You can tap on Create an Account, and it will prompt you to another page where you can start finishing up. So tap on Finish Sign Up. And after you do that, you can then choose your plan. So there you can see, you can tap on Next from here. And then finally choose a plan. So there are 4 different plans. One is for the mobile plan where you can watch and where the mobile phone and tablet is basically supported, and you cannot use this plan for your computer or your tablet or even your TV. But it is cheap, so you can choose that, or you can choose the basic, standard, or the premium one. As you can see, the premium one is the most popular one. Then after you select it, tap on Next. After you do that, you will need to go through your payment options. So you can choose credit or debit card. And final option, and the final step is simply entering up your card number, expiration date, CVV, and name on card. Then you can agree to the terms and conditions. Then finally tap on Start Membership. Doing that, you will have created your Netflix subscription, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.